Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Din and as you can see we are really busy here trying to get everything ready before we start cooking our curries. I've already now finished my 6th episode showing how to cook the base gravy, as you can see here. This method of cooking base probably doesn't exist anymore because chefs nowadays want to cook everything quick and therefore losing that flavor. I'm also adding stock to the gravy because it's very important the gravy is full of flavor, because this is your main ingredient, and then we're going to just put everything together, which I will show you when we start to cook our individual curries. Now I have a lot of curries to show you how to cook, so watch all the videos and also watch it right through. Please don't skip it because you miss what I'm doing. I'm going to basically show you in the video how to cook it in real time. You should have it all ready like this, and then we'll be able to start, and you'll have to watch, learn and listen basically, and that way you learn how to cook Bhindi Bhajee here. We've got Bombay potato, we've got mushroom bhajee, we have sagaloo and brinjal bhajee, and meat du piazza, and masala of course. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you, so let's get cooking. Right, first a little bit of oil goes in, about a chef spoon. Then we put a bit of garlic, just to freshen it up.
A little bit of oil, a little bit of garlic in.
Yep. We're just going to cook it gently. Then we throw in our bhindi.
Lovely.
Bit of salt. A little bit of mixed spice. Bit of methi. Coriander. Bun onions.
Oh wow.
4 pieces of tomatoes. A little bit of chilli just to kill the sweetness. Cool. Now we just let that cook for a few minutes and we'll be done. Now, any bhajes you cook, okay, when you are ready to serve, if you notice, there's a lot of oil. So what we're going to do is just lift it up like that to one side and let all the oil drain down.
Wonderful.
This will stop the dish having too much oil.
Yeah.
So we can either put that oil aside or throw it.
And would you use that oil for anything again if you wanted?
Yeah, you can use it, but it can be a little bit contaminated by other flavours, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
But we're going to use it because I think it's all fresh, so okay. So